What is up, everybody? What is going on? A lot of things, slow motion right now going on. A few things happening here and there in the economy. I saw that one of the SVB, the second largest bank that defaulted, got bought out over the weekend, and so I think that was some news. I saw an article, talking about Birmingham. That for those, shout out to Birmingham, everybody from Birmingham, Alabama. So everybody, I know everybody that's been in Birmingham, that they everybody knows about the AT&T building. I just read an article where developers come in and they're going to build 600 luxury condos in the AT&T building downtown. So that's going to be interesting to see. Just that whole redevelopment effort for that. So that's gonna bring a lot of not a lot of capacity, but it's gonna be 600 more units coming online in the next couple of years as they do that development. What else? What else? We had one property fall out of contract this past week. We had one go under contract, and the one that fell out, we got one offer today, and I think we got two showings today and one scheduled for tomorrow. So I'm telling people the market is picking back up. That kind of median income, medium sales price, and below that, there's not enough inventory. I'm talking with other real estate investors. People starting to hear more and more of bidding wars, multiple offer situations. We're already kind of seeing that with this one, and it's crazy. It just picked up because this same house has been on the market over 90 days now. We were under contract a little bit over 40, and before then, coming out of the holiday season, there wasn't any activity. The market was pretty much dead in the month of December. And but now we're seeing a lot more activity that's happening, especially with the lower price point. If you guys are looking to get into flipping, that I encourage you to kind of get in at below the median sales price in your area, just where you protect yourself, and there's more people looking to buy just with the limited inventory in those areas. And I got something that I'm gonna start doing here in the next couple of days with the market update. Once I kind of tap into this new data stream where we can kind of go by zip code, we can look real time at the increases in inventory, compare year over year numbers, and just with the data you can just kind of see different areas where you can target and start looking at things. That's something that I'm bringing for my real estate clients and just kind of sharing with them, where now we can be strategic with where we're looking to make investments, and where we're looking to do deals and make offers, that we can follow the data, we go with the data, jobs, the population growth, and now we're going to be looking at the listings, days on market, just looking at the pricing and some of the other metrics that I use in my business, kind of gives to them to do that. So the market is looking up. This is a slow spring season, but it's all good. I think, depending on where you focus at, if you're in the luxury homes or higher price markets, then you may have some challenges with selling. It's going to just take longer, if you're on the higher end. But if you're on the lower end of the market, then you're going to be fine. And I think you just got to figure out the best strategy. We'll continue to look at multifamily deals as well, too. Small apartments. Well, I won't even say small apartments kind of is the niche, but we've been looking at some larger than 40 units. And I think that some sellers are unrealistic. We got a couple things working potentially for some off-market deals with a little bit of seller financing mixed in, where the numbers make sense. With the price per door, it makes sense. And looking at just the upside for where the market rent is right now, because I keep telling everyone that as you look at where we are right now in the market, that the market's slowing down from a single family first time buyer, or just a consumer that's looking to buy houses. But all that means is it's going to be increased demand for rental property, just because everybody's not buying a house, they're choosing to rent right now. And so therein lies an opportunity for landlords to continue to move forward and pick up rental properties. We're looking to execute as many birds as possible on the single family side, and pick up one or two multifamily, if not more, and just continue to grow the portfolio, and just take base hits as they come along, and continue to truck along with interest rates and everything else. So you just got to figure out your strategy and understand your market, and dive in and be aggressively patient, and not worry about where the interest rates are. Just underwrite for them so you can be in good shape, and then just kind of take it from there.